Good day everyone. This is Sir Jay and thank you for visiting my YouTube channel today, and I know you are looking for something that may help you in your daily activities, work, school assignments, and personal matters. For today's video, let us know the different parts of Microsoft PowerPoint and its descriptions. But, before we begin, it is highly appreciated if you like this video, comment on your thoughts, share this video with your friends or colleagues, and most importantly if you subscribe. Now, let's proceed. Let us open the Microsoft PowerPoint. Just click the Windows icon in your keyboard, and type PowerPoint at the search bar. Now, click the PowerPoint to open the application. What is a PPT? PPT stands for PowerPoint, which is a presentation software developed by Microsoft and used for creating dynamic slide presentations. It is widely used for creating slideshows for business and educational purposes. Now, let us proceed to different parts of PowerPoint. First, the title bar. The header or title bar of the presentation is located at the top of the window. It presents the name of the active presentation. Second, the menu tabs they are located at the top section below the title bar and contain groups of related commands. Specifically, it includes File, Home, Insert, Design, Transitions, Animation, Slideshow, Review, View, and Help menus. Third, the File tab. This file menu bar performs file-related operations such as creating a new presentation, opening an existing file, save as, printing the file, and so on. Fourth, Quick Access Toolbar. This Quick Access Toolbar is a customizable toolbar that provides quick access to frequently used commands. Fifth, the Control Buttons. The Control Buttons is located at the right upper corner, which commands is to change the view of the PowerPoint windows. Sixth, is the Scroll Bar. In PowerPoint, the vertical scroll bar at the right side of the pane is the only scroll bar. The control is to view just up and down. Seventh, Slide Views buttons. They are the 4 view buttons on the left of Zoom control contain a series of icons. It allows you to change the PowerPoint views. 1. Normal view. 2. Slide sorter view. 3. Reading view, and 4. Slideshow view. 8. Notes pane. This is a section below the slide area where you can add notes to accompany each slide. The notes are not visible during the presentation, but they can be printed as a speaker's guide. 9. The status bar. This is the status bar at the bottom of the screen of the PowerPoint window that displays information about the current slide, such as the page number and slide status. 10th, Slide pane. The slide thumbnail pane is a column on the left corner of the PowerPoint window that displays small images of the slides in the presentation. You can use the thumbnail pane to quickly navigate to different slides in the presentation. And the last part is the slide area. This is the main area of the PowerPoint window where slides are displayed and edited. Before I end this video, I will show you a little sample on how to change design of the slides in the PowerPoint. You can change the design of the slides by following these steps. Go to the Design tab, then it will show you different designs available in the PowerPoint. Once you have selected a design, you can do editing and add animations. Take note. The PowerPoint Designer pane is available only for users of Microsoft 365 and the latest versions of PowerPoint, such as PowerPoint 2016, 2019, and 2021. You can change also the design of the other slides, based on your preference. And I think it's enough. Thank you for watching. I hope that you have learned with this video. If you want more educational video, just comment down below. Thank you.